हेलो। 1 मिनट हो रहा है सर। या 1 मिनट प्लीज कंटिन्यू। लॉगिंग इन। ओके। गुड मॉर्निंग याली हो ऑल ऑफ यू। I am thankful to Principal Hitesh Puri sir for inviting me for this live session during Corona time. The time is very serious. Time is concern to all of us. Time is confusing to all of us. I expect all of you are safe and secure at your home. Namaskar, Shabba Khair, Salam Alaikum. This is the time we are worried about. We are worried about our careers. We are worried about our lives. We are worried about our children. We are worried about our system. We are worried about our beliefs, our standards, our understanding, our education system, our job system. We are worried about everything. In last 50 years, friends, we have not seen such type of unprecedented situation across the globe world. We talk about the global, now we are worried about the local. Friends, we are confused, we are concerned. Very first, which are the issues, which are the concerns in our mind? What will be the world after Corona? Why? We are not sure. Something new we are facing. Fear of unknown is there in our mind. Why this fear of unknown? Every year, in 100 days, more than 3 lakhs people die because of HIV/AIDS. More than 8.3 lakh people die in 100 days, I'm telling, because of alcoholism. More than 1.19 lakh people die because of malaria. More than 2.2 lakh people suicide in 100 days across the world. More than 2.5 lakh people die because of hunger. More than 1.3 lakh people die because of smoking and smoking related illnesses. More than 49 lakh people die because of cardiovascular disease. But in 100 days, 1.5 lakh people die across the world due to corona, and it is a concern. It creates a huge confusion because we are in the train for which how much delay, whatever the time, we don't know. And that is the concern. That is the confusion. Friends, you are already there at your home in different state of mind. Recently, I came to know about this model. Either all of you are in the state of fear. Some of you may be in the state of learning what we are doing now. And some of you are in a further better phase, that is, you can say the green zone, that is a phase of development. People are making all complaints, they follow the fake messages, and they are only worried. We want to come out there. State of learning, people are at least in an orange zone, there they have a gratitude for the society, they are living without a disease. They are happy with their family. At least they are surviving and they can do something better tomorrow. And state of development, people are doing. People are helping others. People are motivating others. People are making something better for the others. And we want to reach to that state. Even our government, our prime minister, our society is also trying to do. And because of that, we want to come out from the red to green. Now, how to come. So very first, let me share with you, we are having in the state of high level of anxiety. Lot of children are at the home, most of the children, more than 152 crore children and 6 crore teachers across the globe are at their home. And home is the school, and parents are playing the role of the teachers through e-learning programs. Academic calendars are disturbed. Exam system with calendars, we have no idea when and at the earliest we will be able to implement. Online, we are trying to do, but there are a lot of challenges. Entrance exam, the concern is huge. The students who already appeared for 10th and 12th examination, their concerns are there. I'm going to share. Okay, friends, some of the countries are already trying to put up a COVID passports and COVID certifications, all this. Who has already cautioned, don't do that. Because there is no guarantee, no warranty for anything now. So, my program is for the short-term understanding. We don't know when the vaccine will come. Harvard study says we may have to live with the corona till 2022 at the earliest or latest 2024. So how careers will be affected in this confused time with various concerns in our mind? Okay. Now, whenever we are talking about the concerns, at least we should see, we should think, we should understand from the past experiences. But this one is a new experience. But yes, we had some past experiences. So in last 200 years, we had 13 epidemics and some of the pandemics out of this. Latest one, last one, 1976 onwards, we are facing problem till continue with the AIDS, and more than 4 crore people have died. AIDS has already taught the world something new. AIDS has already helped the people how to make interpersonal contacts in a safer way. We had also learned from one pandemic, that was 1918 Spanish flu. It was at the time of First World War. More than people than a world war died because of this pandemic. After Spanish flu, world came out with a different order. Political equations got changed. Priorities got changed. Inventions got changed. New inventions came out. So this pandemic taught us new world order. Okay, some of you may not be knowing, in 1955, that another Asian flu, it also started from China. After World War II, you know what was the outcome? Very few people may be knowing. America, USA came out at the world power with manufacturing and various services, beating UK and European countries after this pandemic. So let's hope something good for India after this pandemic. Now let's go to our concerns. Friends, which are the major concerns? You are at your home, not you. Like you, more than 300 people across the 300 crore people across the world are at their home. Just 50 crore to 100 crore have little benefit in last 2 to 3 days. Today onwards, some relaxations are being implemented in some of the countries in Europe. Limited and concerned. As I shared, 152 crore students with 6 crore teachers across the globe are stuck in 165 countries. If you see the condition of our country, India, what is the condition? In 16 lakh schools are closed, friends. 16 lakh schools, not only you. 26 crore students are stuck at home. More than 1 crore teachers. Out of those, some of the teachers are doing a couple of assessing activities. Otherwise, they are also stuck. And they are doing some of the wonderful job of online teaching. 3.4 lakh schools out of the 16 lakh schools are also shut in this country. Let's come to Gujarat, regional, our state. 54,000 schools are already closed. More than 1.1 crore students are at home. More than 4 lakh teachers are at home. Main concern is for 11 lakhs, more than 11 lakh students, if you consider the different boards. 11 lakh students appeared for the 10th board exams, and 7 lakh students appeared for the 12th board exam in Gujarat board. We are concerned too much because their entrance exams are stuck. Generally, April and May is the month for entrance exams. More than 24 entrance exams across India are awaited by 1.7 crore students, not only you. It is for your future. So you are concerned and confused what will happen. JEE, NEET, GPAT, JEE Advanced, CMAT. CMAT is for the graduates who are planning to go for the management. NCH, MCT, like this, 23-24 entrance exams calendars are affected, and National Testing Agency is on the foot. Friends, we are going from bricks and mortar to bits and bytes. Already in the last 20 years, we are trying. But now the progress is exponential multiplication. It is the compulsion. So, who will be benefited in short time? Which will be the careers? You will find hot cases. Who will be the gainers? The losers. More than 12 lakhs engineers, IT engineers have started working in this country, IT and computer and IT related field, from their home. WFH, work from home. And some of the companies are appreciating. Until so far, we could have done this. We could have saved a lot of rental cost, psychic cost, travel cost, management cost for various companies, for organizations by doing work from home. So everybody is not the loser. Like environment is the beneficiary. Like rivers are the beneficiary. Mountains are the beneficiary. Air is the beneficiary. So some of them are beneficiary. Nature is the beneficiary. Some of the careers are beneficiary, but a lot of losers. Now our leadership, whatever the shortcuts we were thinking now, that will go. No shortcut. Performance-based leadership will be the populist leadership, not shortcut-based. Health and safety protocols will be there. A lot of companies have already started doing. New normals. Think what will be the new normals for a short time? If your school will start, what will happen? Uniform may have a mask as an integral part of the uniform. Students may sit in the class like exam sitting arrangement, not nearby sitting. In one class, number of students may be reduced. Schools may work in the shifts to reduce the number of the students. All these activities, all these normals may be there. The collaboration will go to the individual, not in the groups. If you are individual, the process will come to you. Process will not be just in a group. We will not have a much comfort level, friends, because we have lived that life. This is affecting our students and their parents also. Now, you will have a lot of questions. Friends, I am sharing this for 25 minutes. 18 minutes have already gone. So, further 7 to 8 minutes, I am with you. First, we will talk about the losers from the market. You know, you are seeing, but some data and facts are there. Various reports, International Labour Organization, ILO report, they published a report even before lockdown in India. CII reports, FICCI inputs, more than 30 industry organization national level, they have their inputs. Airlines, avionics losing 26 jobs. Field is going to have a problem. If you want to be air hostess, if you want to be a pilot, if you want to be an airman, if you want to be a ground staff member, wait. Let the situation improve. Travel, huge problem for next 6 months to 1 year minimum. Definitions of the travel will change. Design of the equipment will change. Design of the vehicle will change. Arrangement will change. Cruise travel, forget. Tourism will be affected. Will be affected. Oil and gas is already affected and going to be affected because other sectors consumption is already critically and will remain reduced for a long time. Employment services. People want to save their own job. Yeah, some of the jobs are in very focused areas, like technical areas. Some of the jobs are insulated. I'm going to share with you. Professional sports. We will talk about the sports, but we will enjoy at home. Entertainment and cinema in public, loser. Gone. Saloons, losers. High contact, high touch industry, man to man is really loser, except the health area. Leisure for hospitality, very few. Yes, in hospitals, hospitality. Some of the news we learn from we read in the newspapers. I think in DPS East, a lot of parents and students, they are in Ahmedabad East area. It's a red zone. So maybe in the phase of fear complex, we are supposed to come out of that. After end of May, most of the corona will go out of India. Hello? Hello? Yeah, getting? Sorry. Some corona impact is there, I don't know. Sports management area is the loser. Retailing, yes, is the loser, but in different formats and different aspects. Some of the area of Kirana will work. Some of the area of Kirana will be the loser. Friends, some of the jobs will be benefited. Some of the jobs will be affected. So understand the Kotler's need, want, and demand. Now only demand will survive. Need and want, we don't know how it will survive. Health and health sector As usual, huge demand, huge requirement, but lot of automation will come. Doctors will try to have a safe life. Doctors will try to have a robotics. Doctors will try to have a machine working for them. So life will change. Health sector will change. Health sector will need huge number of health professionals. As on today, as per the WHO standard, we are, if we consider all health professionals, including Ayush, Yoga, Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, and Siddha people, then we are comfortable. But otherwise, we need a lot of allopathy doctors. As on today, more than 14 lakhs certified professionals, more than 4 lakhs Ayurvedic certified medical professionals, Ayurvedic professionals, more than 1.20 lakhs homeopathy professionals, more than 12 lakhs nurses are working in health sector across the country. But this country needs 2 lakhs doctors, MBBS doctors, more than 20 doctors every year, MBBS. But we have only 1 lakh seats, approximately. So these seats are getting increased by government of India, their policy. So if you want to make your biology, paramedical, medical, and medical related fields, automation, and all these fields, and you will be comfortable. Friends, technology sector will be insulated. That's the good news. ITS, computer, all this field will survive very well, will be in a demand also. Some of the people are telling that IT sector is facing a problem, but no, it's a short time. Today, economic times, the report IT sector is going to flourish. For India, it's a good news. India will do wonderfully. So if you want to go for it, technical sector, friends, job is going to be insulated. You benefit. Agro and dairy sector, yes, 30% dump is there across the globe in last 2 months. But don't worry, it's going to be in a huge demand. It will be in a good demand in coming time. So the field is insulated. Field will have a better prospects. Nothing to worry. Food industry. Yes, for short time, some of the issues are there with respect to the logistic and other things. Otherwise, okay, fine. Food processing, some of the things will get changed. Some science will get changed, food processing science. But food industry will remain. Seafood industry will get is already getting a huge dump for short time. Environmental science, water treatment, wastewater treatment, excellent prospects. Though the nature is doing, you can go for this career. This one will be good. Earlier, also I told all of us are the loser. Now gainers, couple of gainers, more gainers. E-commerce and market space, health sector, pharmacy sector, medical stores, professional and special services. But some of the dynamics will get changed. Your lawyer will now consult you online. Hard skill, technical skills will survive. Apparel and garments, huge problem because demand will not be in the luxury sector or wherever requirement is not there. But still, technical textile sector will flourish because of the huge demand, like PP equipments and a lot of other things. Public planning, regimentation of the population, epidemiologist, statistics, this fields will flourish. You can select these careers. Online education, since last 20 years we were trying, but now more than 12 platforms publishing ePathshala, Topper, Diksha, Unacademy. A lot of students are working and interacting with each other. Like Calorex itself has also its own this portal, and you are working on Calorex platform. A lot of students are interacting. one initiative by Kellogg's. Platforms or e-commerce will go exponentially, but in some of the restrictions are there by the government because of the small kirana. Statutory services automation will come. This is a very important area. Wherever your statutory service, no, don't go to collector for getting a permission. I did. I got the permission sometime back for some of the medical emergencies for some of the people, for some of the areas. That permission I got online. I talked to the collector office, they told don't come. So like that, lot of statutory services. Now government has already put up lot many portals. They have already Arogya Setu app and couple of other things. Social service will flourish, friends. It's already there. If you want a social service person, it's already there.